Hi guys, it's Riya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fresh and dewy spring makeup look that's perfect for any occasion. This look is all about achieving that peachy blush and shimmery highlighter gives a skin healthy, radiant glow, while the soft pink lip and light fluttery lashes keeps the focus on the cheeks. So now let's get started the video. To start, I'm going to apply a light coverage foundation to even out my skin tone, and for that today I'm going to use Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation in the shade 05 Beige Glow. This foundation blends in easily and doesn't leave a cakey feeling on the skin, and it gives an instant glow.
Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side.
I have dried to combination skin, and as you can see it gives me a fresh and glowy finish. Next I'll be applying a peach colored blush to the apple of my cheeks, and for that I'm taking this Miss Claire's blusher in the shade 09. Here I'm using a fluffy blush brush to blend the product in, and also making sure to blend the product outwards towards the temple for a natural looking flush. So today I'm not gonna use any kind of contour or bronzer because today's makeup is based on achieving that natural glowy soft makeup, but if you like to add a contour or bronzer then you definitely can. Next I'm going to add a highlighter. From the Revolution Soapix highlighter palette, I'm dipping my brush in this peachy champagne shade that will complement the blush perfectly. I'm applying it to my cheekbones, cupid's bow, chin and bridge of the nose.
You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to when I'm hell first.
I'm applying it very subtle, little for within glow. I'm also applying it to my inner corner of the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to keep it simple, applying to the same Miss Claire blush as my eyeshadow, applying it all over my eyelid with a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. And also I'm applying little bit to my lower lash line. After that I'm drawing a wing liner with Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm creating a small wing. After that I'm applying a few coats of mascara to my top and bottom lashes and making sure to wiggle the wand from root to tip for maximum volume. I'm applying Mars Fabulash mascara. For the lips, I'm going to use a clear lip gloss to keep the focus on my cheeks and the highlighter. This is Inside Cosmetics Longwear Color Rich Lip Gloss in the shade 01 Frost. This will also give the lips a natural plump look. And lastly, setting my face with Mars Seal the Deal Makeup Fixer. It's really important to set the products in place, so don't skip this step. And there you have it, a fresh spring makeup look that fits for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe for more makeup tips and tutorials like this. Bye.